Welcome to the AlmighTees channel. In this week's episode, we will continue with another video in the Screen Printing 101 series. Today's video will be how we pre-register our separation film for screen exposure, and I'm going to show you how that's done next. So I'm out here in the shop at the exposure unit. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my first separation into place, or my first film. And with that, I am going to, I've got predetermined center marks on my table. And so I'm going to line my T-square up according to those center lines. And that is going to be the center line of the screen. Now I already have center lines on the top and bottom of my separation. I already have marks on the T-square as well that show me where I need to bring my image to so that it falls in the right spot. If you don't know where that spot is, I'm going to link a video in the description, and I'm going to, in the upper right hand corner as you're viewing the screen, where there will be a video on how to determine where your image should fall on the screen. So now that I've got that taped down, now I can start pre-registering all my other films. I'm going to start off with my blue. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each film, I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to place little pieces of tape on the underside. And what this is going to do, this is going to allow me to transfer the film off of the table and onto the bottom of the screen. So remember, on the underside of the film facing up. Then I register according to my registration marks. Get the top registration mark in line. Get the bottom registration mark in line. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I usually like it too. And I've got little tiny pieces of tape on each film, and I just push that down, and that's going to hold it in place while I transfer this particular separation to the bottom of my screen. Grab my screen out of the box. I butt it up against this rail and this rail, and then I know I press down. What I was going to say is that where I have the marks are according to this plane. So once I have it butted up against that, then I know the image is going to fall in the center of my screen. Sorry, I kind of started and didn't finish. Now all I'm doing is just pressing where I know those pieces of tape are, and then look what happens. Now that film is in the right position on that screen. This is a 3-color print. I'm going to do the same thing again. Take a piece of tape, flip the film over so I'm on the back side of it. Place the film on the edge. There again, facing up, so that when I flip it over, now the tape is facing up. Take my little pieces of tape. Like I said, that's just to hold the film in place, so that it doesn't move around when I'm trying to place a screen down to lift up the separation on the bottom of the screen. Okay, it's in place, just where I need it to be. Grab my next screen. There. Find those little pieces of tape where they are. And then boom. Now I can turn my backlight off, and now I am ready to start exposing my screens. We hope you found this tutorial video helpful and informative. And if you did, would you mind giving this video a like? Or even consider subscribing to the channel? And if you do, Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we upload new content. If you have any questions or any new video ideas, drop those in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.